Stress mitigation and the balancing act. Here are some of the ingredients you need to know about creating stability and thus mitigating your stress in this age of instability and high stress. The Personal Power Foundation. The first secret to stress mitigation and living stressless in the future is to achieve some level of stability in your life by building a strong foundation so that your house of cards is strong enough and flexible enough to weather any storm that life may throw at you. Here, you first need to look at what inner strength and personal power you currently possess, which may include, but it is not limited to, your special talents and your ability to creatively problem solve, knowing full well that you can create yourself out of any mess you get yourself into. Your skills within, such as your confidence and positive attitude, your will to win, and your willpower, and your experience and the wisdom you now possess by having stepped into more than one mess while still finding your way back home again. Next, you need to look at your core team, such as your family and loved ones, to see if they are or can be your tower of strength, and your belief in a higher power, which you may feel will empower you to move with spirit, to conquer any pressure, conflict, and adversity that you may encounter. That said, if there is a crack in your own personal power foundation, it would be best that you balance and stabilize it before you venture back into the fast track in the age of uncertainty again. Conquering your core patterns. The next secret in a successful win-learn response is to discover what your core patterns are, i.e., those patterns that you repeat that cause you stress and distress, and that cause you to lose in the games of life. For example, it may be that you believe in yourself and your personal power too much, whereas in being overconfident, you play in high-risk, high-stakes, high-stress games without sufficient capital, or the contrary, where you enter the game lacking in confidence, where you fold at the first sign of stress and play the game not to lose. Or it may be that you feel you have to carry the ball and do all of the heavy lifting, whereas you have too much to do and not enough time to do it, and you resent those sitting on the sidelines. Or that you have empowered your team so much that you have taken your eye off the ball and someone has betrayed you. Or it may be that your core pattern is to continually attract dysfunctional people into your life, which requires a great deal of time and energy on your part to deal with their fight-flight responses, such as their fear, anxiety, worry, and/or anger. Or it may be that those around you may no longer be the right fit for you, as they have chosen to live their life contractive, playing not to lose, coming from a scarcity mentality, when you have chosen to live your life expansive, playing to win, while coming from a prosperity point of view. Whatever your core pattern is, you need to balance and stabilize it so you won't have to paddle upstream again. Risk mitigation. A further win-learn response is to make sure that the next time you enter a high-stress, high-stakes game, that you dive back in with some stability, just in case you hit some inclement weather and things don't turn out as expected. As illustrative, if you are playing in a risky, high-powered business game, it is prudent to have a cash reserve, multiple income streams, a contingency plan, and an exit strategy, so as to mitigate your risk, and your stress for that matter. It is wise to balance and then mitigate your risk before you dive into deep water again.